Hi there, and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can update or add product's title with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select the product's title from the Store Product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. For the product's title smart settings, you can set multiple title separators if the title field is mapped to multiple columns. For example, to set the brand before the title. Nick-sports shoe, simply match both the columns and select the title separator. Next, the case convert is used to change the title casings. By default, the process won't do any conversion. However, you can choose to convert all to lowercase, uppercase, titleize case, or clean up all HTML tags from the value in the feed file. You can choose to ignore words. This feature allows you to ignore certain words from the value in the feed file. For example, if the title is new pants but you only want pants, enter the new in the ignore word field. You can also enter multiple words to be ignored, separated by a comma. Auto-ignore words from variant option value will remove the option value from the title when enabled. The variant option field needs to be mapped as well. For example, if the option value, color is black, white, and red, the product will display as T-shirt without the value. Lastly, the find and replace allows you to replace any word or phrase from the feed with the value that you have added. For example, replace the title sport shoes, simply enter sport on find field and enter red on replace field. Once you are ready, click on next, and all changes will be saved.